Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I want to share a special project I recently completed for Weldco Manufacturing LLC, a fantastic metal fabrication business based in Colbert, Oklahoma. Weldco specializes in creating high-quality acoustical enclosures, tanks, and skids. Their team of welders, painters, and assemblers work hard to deliver custom solutions for their clients. It was an honor to create these personalized wallets for their team, and I'm incredibly grateful for the opportunity. Thank you, Weldco, for supporting small businesses like mine. Speaking of amazing organizations, I also had the pleasure of engraving wallets for Texas Elk Camp on Texoma, a group located in Pottsboro, Texas. A lot of great people there. Thank you for trusting me with your custom designs. I love collaborating with businesses and organizations to create unique, personalized items. If you'd like something engraved for your business or event, feel free to reach out. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates from my Creative Laser Art Studio store.